it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. Today we're going to be doing something short and cute. I haven't had short hair in a minute, or like a bob style in a minute, so I definitely wanted to do this look for you guys. It was so easy to do and install. This beautiful unit is from UNice hair, and I love it. I love the texture of this hair. It's just giving fresh wrap, fresh press. If you guys want to see how to install and get this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. This is the box that our unit comes in, and I love the little pink box. So let's go ahead and open it and get ready to look at our goodies. Right here we have a little UNice bag, a wig cap, an elastic band, and some press-on nails. Oh, and we have a robe. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, you guys, so this is their Bye Bye Knots unit. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And I also have a removable elastic band with silicone non-slip grips. So this is the unit. Look at those knots. I love the Bye Bye knots because you don't have to pluck, you don't have to bleach, and the knots are little, like they single tie them, so it's very undetectable. So let's go ahead and put our unit on, and look at the construction of the cap. It's really nice. I like the way it's made around the edges. Really nice. I like this. So this unit features a silicone strip in the cap, okay? And that's gonna keep the cap from scooting around. And it also comes with a comb right here. Honestly, y'all, I really don't need my wig grip because they've started making these units, you know, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop my unit on. As you can see, it's pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, everything is done. You can really wear this unit glueless. You really don't even have to tack it down. To wear this glueless, I'm definitely gonna have to go in and tint the lace, which is gonna be really easy. This wig just fits so snug. It feel like it was like made for my head. I can't believe it's this snug. The lace tint I'm using is the Bold Hold lace tint in light brown. I've had this, y'all, like 2 years, and it's still full, okay? So I'm just gonna spray. Yeah, we can do a little bit of baby hair, but not a whole lot. We're gonna use our Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. This is the only gel I use for my wig. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and just put some up in the roots, just so I can get everything nice and flat. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and just press everything back. You want to make sure you get this as flat as possible, okay? As you can see, this unit is kind of on an angle. I want like a blunt cut. I'm gonna use my clippers, and these are my clippers. I will link them below if you guys are interested. Okay, you guys, so everything looks nice and blunt. I'm gonna go through with my flat irons, and I'm just gonna press everything out and bump it just a little. Guys, we are done installing our unit, and I think this is so cute. It's the perfect unit for summer. Any time of the year, really. I love the sleek, shorter look. It really fits the face. It frames the face. I love it. I just love it, you guys. I like the little change up. I was honestly thinking about cutting my real hair, but I'm glad I went ahead and got this unit, and it's so cute, and the texture of the hair is so nice. It looks like natural hair, just like relaxed and pressed. Cute, and it is nice and flowy. Definitely a great option for you guys who prefer shorter hair. If you're interested in this unit, I will have it linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.